Hey guys, my name's Annika Jamal and welcome to my channel. This video is a get ready with me for a beauty event that I went to, and the vlog for this beauty event is at the end of this get ready with me. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. And remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. So this is glycolic acid and it's called liquid gold, and I'm just wiping my face down with this, and it just takes away anything that might have been on my face from the night before. Then I'm prepping the skin with this Smashbox primer, and it's very moisturizing, so I just put that into my skin. And the base of your makeup is literally the most important part. I just popped on some SPF, and this one is from Body Shop. Now I'm going in with this Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood Serum, and I actually really like this. Give it a try if you haven't already. It's from Superdrugs. And then we've got some under eye cream, and that is pretty much the end of our skin prep. I always get asked what foundation I use, and it's literally always NARS Sheer Glow. I have not found a foundation that I love more than this. If you do love a foundation and think that it's really good, then please let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to know. I want to discover a new foundation, but at the moment I haven't loved anything as much as I love this one. But I'm just blending that into my skin with a beauty blender. Personally, I feel beauty blenders are the best. I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is a very well-known concealer, and personally I do feel like it lives up to the hype. I'm now going in with some translucent powder, and this one is the Laura Mercier one. And I'm that person that literally puts this everywhere. I mainly pack this underneath my eyes and like jawline. You'll see. So this is for eyebrows, and I'm using the L'Oreal Unbeliever Brow, and this is in the shade Ebony. I really loved this when I first got it. Now it's kind of like dried out, but I think I will be getting a new one because it really was so quick and easy, and I just loved it. So I used two palettes for this look, this one being the first one. This is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just taking that shade that you saw me get and going into my crease, and we're just blending. Now we have the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced, and I actually really love this. It's so good, very different. So I just took that shade and focused this on the outer corner of my eyes, and I know it's kind of like glittery, so I'm just taking my brush and blending this out, and this just darkens that corner. I'm just going in slowly. I keep going into the palette and then blending it out again and again, and this slowly builds it up. This is a beautiful gold glitter from the Pretty Rich palette. I literally die for this. This is so cute. I love this color so much, and this palette is just amazing. Anyways, we are just taking away the extra glitters that aren't supposed to be there. So I'm just blending those away and then going in again and deepening up the color so it is more packed in the right places. I then took the darker black and blended this into the outer corner and blended it upwards as well. And literally you have to do this very slowly, otherwise you're just going to end up with a black blob on the corner of your eye and it's not going to look right. So you do this slowly and you keep going in with each colour and you build it up. That is literally the only way I can explain how to do eyeshadow with a good blend or fade. This is that black shade that I was talking about earlier, and I'm literally just going in and doing the same thing on the other eye. Then I took this brown shade from the Soft Glam palette and I just dragged this from the corner of my eye around and also below lash line. Once I focused the colour with the small brush, I took a big fluffy brush and a lighter brown shade and blended this all together so it went up further. I love connecting the lower lash line with the lid colour. I just feel like it completes the look and gives a lovely gradient. I'm just going in with a black liner, and I literally cannot live without a black pencil liner on my lower lash line. I can't do the white. I think I look silly, but I'm gonna give it a go at some point. But yeah, anyways, this is the NYX liquid liner, and this is literally my favorite liner ever. This is me struggling to do it and film it at the same time. Another drugstore favourite, this is the Lash Sensational mascara. I think it's by Maybelline. So I'm just using this before I pop on some lashes. I used Samantha by Huda Beauty. I'm just dusting away all of that powder from underneath my eyes, and this also caught any fallout, so it still keeps the rest of your makeup looking fresh. This is the Hula bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just sculpting my face with this. I literally suck at nose contour. This is my amateur way of doing nose contour. I never go in properly because I just look dumb, so I just do it very lightly. Some KKW Beauty. This is blusher and it's called Destiny, and I actually really like this shade. She did good. I really love some of her stuff, you know. I think I might do another spend at some point, but KKW is the bomb.com. And then finally I'm dusting away any other powder that was left on my face, and this will also clean up the bronzer and make it so my jaw looks a little more chiseled, but it looked too harsh, so I had to go in again with the Hoola and blend this all out. What we got here, this is the Farsali, is that how you say it? Farsali. This is the Jelly Bean, and it's a highlighter, and I got way too much on my brush, so I just went in, and then afterwards I do blend this out. See, I'm blending it out with a beauty blender, but it's really good. It's just scares me a little sometimes, but it's very intense, so you gotta blend that ish. And then I think I took a different one and then went in on the inner corners and brow bone, and honestly when you highlight your brow bone, it literally just glamorizes everything. I love it. I already have a beauty spot here, but obviously all the makeup covers it, so I'm just going in and enhancing it. And then I went in with a very light shade from this palette, and it's a lip palette. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'm just going in with that shade and filling in my lips basically. And I actually do like the formula in this palette. The lipsticks are actually really quite good. They feel very comfortable. They're very easy to blend as well. So if you want it to make it lighter, then you can add some white. If you want to make it darker, you can add another shade. This is the completed makeup look. I have a lot of hair, so I have to section it. I would highly recommend protecting it and using heat protectant, and then I literally straighten these little bits around my face, and then all you do is twist the hair around the hair straightener and pull. If it feels uncomfortable, then don't do it and redo it and see if it feels better. But that's literally all I did. You turn it around and you pull, and then I go through different parts of my hair and do this. By the way, this is like second day hair, so the first day I straightened it already. It's already been washed, it's already been straightened the night before. Otherwise it doesn't look as seamless and it will look a lot frizzier. So personally I like to straighten it beforehand.
I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you.
And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this section of the video, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next clip actually, because it's the vlog. So I'm going to a beauty event and I figured I'd take you guys along with me. I haven't done a vlog in a really long time, so excuse me if I'm a little bit rusty. And yeah, so this is my outfit. It's like a big poofy dress. The dress is from ASOS. This thing is also from ASOS. The necklace, I think it's from Miss Selfridge's, and the earrings, I don't remember where they're from. They're from a million years ago. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend to come and pick me up, and then we're heading out. I'm so excited actually. I haven't done this in a long time, but I feel like a princess. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit when Tuba's driving today. I think this is our first big journey, isn't it? Yeah. Beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be some. We just got to the venue.
Yeah, we just got here.
I'm like really nervous. Like,
yeah, I don't know.
I feel really awkward.
What's gonna go on?
Do you feel awkward? Or is it
I don't know. I don't think we're that bad. Looking at other people,
we're like watching other people walking. I don't even know what event it is for. She doesn't know either.
We'll just go inside and see.
Okay.
What it is.
Well, let's just YOLO. That's what we're doing, basically. Yeah. But let's see how it goes. But we're here. She's been fighting with her bag for the last 5 minutes. Oh, okay, she finally got it. Woo! So inside, oh my goodness, we got a little warm welcome from the hostess.
Yeah.
Your what's it called? Contacts.
Yeah.
Wearing her contact lenses. And yeah, that's the story. We had a little bit of a photo shoot outside.
Yeah, we took a long time.
A long time. In like 2 little different locations. Check out our Instagram pages for the photos.
Yes.
yeah, that's so far so good. I'm actually hungry.
Yes, a bit.
Yeah.
See what we can find.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better.
This is our starter. Handing out food.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa.
So me and Tuba won best dressed randomly. So this is my one. We're gonna go through it in a bit. So let's see. Oh my god, I was so shocked. I was like, what, me? Tubi.
So I got perfumes here.
You go boss, bitch. And this is what I got. Everyone got this as we left. And then these are the things that I got. Coral Obsessions. I don't have this one. Tubi already has that one. And then a bunch of other random bits of makeup and testers and... Coming up a set of stairs in a big poofy dress is not the one. Even in like on the wedding day, I had like a big poofy dress as well, and all my days it was so hard going upstairs or anything. Anyways, so we're home. Well, I'm home. She just dropped me off home, and it was good. Like, it was decent. We had fun. We ate food. We danced. There was a lot of things that I couldn't vlog, obviously, because it was a women's only event, and obviously there's probably a lot of people there that don't want to be on camera, so there's a lot of things that I couldn't do, which is probably making this video really empty. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I'm just going to get ready for bed because I'm just tired and I want my bed. I'm probably going to look through that goodie bag properly and see what's actually in there. I'm excited. I can't believe I won best dressed. Cute. But yeah, gonna take these heels off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.